Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome to Docentes DigitalesTV. You're now watching the most complete video series to learn English and American culture in the easiest, most effortless way possible. All you have to do is listen carefully and watch the video multiple times, and you'll absorb everything naturally. Today's video is about one of the most powerful military and political alliances in the world, the NATO alliance. But what exactly is NATO? Why was it created? And why is it so important to the United States and many other countries around the globe? Let's find out. NATO stands for the North Atlantic Treaty Organization. It was created in 1949 after World War II, a time when many nations were still recovering from the destruction and chaos. The main goal of NATO was simple: to create a united defense system among Western countries to prevent future wars and protect each other against outside threats, especially from the Soviet Union during the Cold War. 12 countries originally joined NATO, including the United States, Canada, the United Kingdom, and France. Today, NATO has expanded to include over 30 member nations. One of the most important rules of NATO is Article 5, which says that if one member country is attacked, all other member countries will consider it an attack on them too. This has only been used once, after the September 11th attacks in 2001, when all NATO members stood in solidarity with the United States. NATO doesn't have its own army, but member countries agree to work together, share military resources, conduct joint training, and protect democratic values like freedom and peace. Some people criticize NATO for being expensive or causing tension with countries like Russia. Others say it's more important than ever in today's world to keep peace and cooperation alive. In recent years, NATO has been involved in peacekeeping missions, disaster response, and even cybersecurity. It's not just a military alliance, it's a symbol of global unity and shared responsibility. Thank you so much for watching this far. We truly appreciate your time and attention. Don't forget to subscribe to Docentes DigitalesTV so you won't miss our next video, the feedback session, which is essential to mastering both English and American culture. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and share it to help us grow and create even better content for you. See you in the next adventure.